thanks for the money for the prizes and the love, the well wishes and everything. Happy to see a big turnout and so on. Ministers are coming and supporting. I feel the love and I really appreciate it. And I just want to say thanks to the world. Mama and also. Thank you very much. Just loving and the tough times when we isolate the problems and the demons and all of something. I'm very happy to tell me all about that. I didn't change anything about my childhood because my parents did an excellent job raising me, and I'm really happy about that. My father was tough on me, always, but for me, I always know that the biggest one is I want to grow up and to be a good person, a good man, and to know have my kids of my own. I'm definitely going to try to live up to his character and live up to who he was and try to be the best that I possibly can be to my kids. Also, I mean, I just want to say, I love my dad. He always supports me, and he's a very kind person. He's always willing to help and to be strong. He always makes sure to focus all the time on something that he wouldn't see in shop. I want to go there and be a part of how old you were. He would tell me, listen, get out of shop, so I don't say, don't sit down. And that's what my dad was. So I'm trying to grow my kids and respect. And for me, hard work. Throughout my life, I've worked hard and I've dedicated my life to sports and track and field to be the best that I possibly can. And that's one of my biggest lessons that I learned from my dad. To work hard and to be dedicated. And he not just only told me. I watched him work hard and provide for my family, and provide for us. And just, there's nights that I didn't even see my dad when he was working for the coffee industry. He would be up early and he would be late.